Want to save $25 on your Orange County marriage license and skip the mandatory 3-day wait? If you are planning to get married in Orlando, Winter Park, Apopka, Ocoee, or anywhere in Orange County, you must apply for your marriage license through the Orange County Clerk of Courts. But you do not need to pay full price, and if you are a Florida resident, you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. I am a national certified counselor and a licensed mental health counselor here in Florida. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Orange County application process, what documents you need, and the legal loophole to save money and time. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Orange County Clerk of Courts is $86. However, if you complete a state-approved 4-hour premarital course, like the official Florida program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $25. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to an incredibly low $61. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit for Florida residents. Under state law, if you or your partner are a Florida resident, you are forced to wait 3 days after your license is issued before you can legally get married. But if you present our Cadenza Counseling certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 3-day wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. To get this $25 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our online course. Cadenza Counseling is an officially approved provider in Orange County, and our 4-hour course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You can visit the main Orange County Clerk of Courts located downtown at 425 North Orange Avenue, Orlando. Or you can use one of their convenient branch locations at 1111 North Rock Springs Road in Apopka, 475 Story Road in Ocoee, or 450 North Lakemont Avenue in Winter Park. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate along with valid government-issued photo IDs like a driver's license or passport, and know your social security numbers. Pro tip for Orange County: they only accept cash or credit cards, and personal checks are not allowed. If you use a credit card, you will be charged a 3.5% processing fee. They will verify your certificate, apply your $25 discount, and issue your license, which is valid for exactly 60 days. To claim your $25 Orange County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions about the Orange County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.